It's Andy here from Rad Air again. I'm out at the Strongsville store with Mike and Linda, and we're talking about how we're keeping the public safe and still being able to stay in business. We are an essential business, so we're supposed to be open to help out. We're helping a lot of Uber Eat drivers, the Lyft drivers, all the drivers that are delivering all the food and stuff around town. It's a big asset to them to have us still here to keep them on the road. But we have to keep everybody safe. Mike's going to talk to you a little bit about how we're keeping your car and our staff safe.
Okay, when the vehicle comes into us, first of all, when the keys are brought in, whether it be in the drop box or to me at the counter, we have a 6-foot waiting area from the customer. We go ahead and clean those with Lysol and disinfect it. We wipe down their steering wheel, their seats. Before and after, our guys wash their hands every day, and before and after every job. We also have them take their temperature when they come in to make sure the guys are okay to work on a vehicle. When the car leaves, we do clean it again and take care of it that way.
And Linda, you're taking care of the facility.
Yes, here inside the store, we're trying to limit people coming in. Hopefully everybody's going to be using a lot of our night drops, but here inside the shop we are cleaning counters and floors and just all of our table facilities and everything. Just in case someone does have to stay in for a couple minutes, we are just trying to keep everything as clean as possible for everyone, including ourselves.
So feel safe. If you need your vehicle repaired, we're here, we're safe, we're essential, and we're going to stay open during this crisis and help everybody that we can. Thanks for watching.